Alright, done with work. Time to go.
Let me just check.
Bye guys. Don't forget me. It is June 1st, 2018. Malaysia has a new government and we are now officially 0% GST. Woohoo! And we're gonna meet up with Shifa today, guys. She has 22,000 subscribers. Make sure to follow her if you haven't subscribed to her already. Sorry! Sorry, made you wait so long. We had to pray first.
Oh, really?
What time do you arrive?
I'm praying downstairs. Oh, it's so good.
Hi, this is Shifa. Make sure you subscribe to her channel.
Oh.
She's a much better vlogger than me.
Oh,
so yeah.
no way! He has better editing skill.
Check out what she's carrying.
It's quite heavy. This is not a zoom lens. This is a prime lens.
Okay.
So guys, this is technical. So this is wide enough, but if I'm doing this, it's still like very heavy and it's wide. Can I try? Yeah, sure. It's heavy, but then it's not zoom enough.
Yeah.
Sometimes you need to like zoom in, zoom out, right?
Right, yeah.
But yeah, that's dedication. Yeah. You know, I can't be bothered.
The YouTuber's life. Whoa, this is the start of the really long Bazaar Ramadan. Actually, it goes way further than here. We can go to the other side where there's a lot of really good stuff. Guys, so we're at the Bazaar Ramadan. We chose the Bazaar Ramadan in Kampung Baru to show Shifa around because the Bazaar Ramadan here is very packed with a lot of different foods, especially from like Indonesia, from Malaysia, from Thailand. There's a huge community of Thais here and a huge community of Indonesians as well. So you get everything, like the entire Southeast Asia in one place. And Kampung Baru is really unique. There's a lot of architecture like this kind of houses. This is the traditional Malay house. And you see the background of Kampung Baru is epic. That's the Twin Towers, guys. So you have that house with the background of that. How cool is that? Ta-da! By the way, guys, that's the best nasi lemak in my opinion. Yeah, nasi lemak Wanjo. If you're here, they are not only just open during Ramadan, they are open all the time of the year. The entire year, I mean. So you can check it out. It's the best nasi lemak in Malaysia. Guys, so we're at Masjid Jami Kampung Baru. This is the main mosque in Kampung Baru. It's really big, it's really nice, but too bad it's cloudy. But behind me, that's Buo Lambok. This is traditionally what we use to buka puasa, the breaking of fast. It's really tasty. Inside it's just meat and rice and stuff, like congee in a way. Yeah, good to fill up your tummy after full days of fasting. And we're near the real Bazaar Ramadan. Look at the crowds, guys. This is gonna be epic. We got some murtabak. Murtabak is something very special during Ramadan here because although you can get it during regular days, murtabak is usually made by Indians or mamaks, but during Ramadan you can see them being made by Malays. And by the way, that's ayam golek. By the way, guys, we came here a bit too early. It's only like 5:30. Buka puasa is at 7:30, and to go around with so many food and so many temptations, like really awesome smells and flavors, you feel like breaking your fast, but you have to stay positive. You have to persevere. 7:30 is coming, guys. 7:30 is coming. Guys, so we're in Grab right now. In Malaysia, Uber is taken over by Grab, so there's only one app.
In Malaysia, in Indonesia as well.
Oh, in Indonesia as well.
Yeah, in China there is no Uber. It's called Didi.
Didi, yeah. Oh, by the way, she just came back from China after a year and a half teaching English, right?
Yes. I cannot teach Chinese lah, of course.
So guys, we're in Surya KLCC. We're at the KLCC park actually.
Yay! That's why people are coming to KL. Specifically, oh my god, my hair. Specifically for that Twin Tower.
Yeah, it's already 7:12. Buka puasa is 7:24, I think. Yeah, so we can't wait. Because we are very thirsty.
Yeah.
Are you guys thirsty?
Thirsty, like... I'm not fasting, I'm sorry.
It's alright. Now time to eat!
Yes, let's eat!
Okay, this is what we call apam balik. Now apam balik could be confused with martabak manis in Indonesia, but it's different. The apam balik in Malaysia is actually thinner and it's denser, and because of that it can be a bit starchy. We prefer the martabak in Indonesia because it's like there's like cheese and chocolate. There's corn inside instead of cheese and chocolate. Let's just eat. Bismillah. Okay, it's time for a time lapse. Okay, done with the meal. The Bazaar Ramadan, the food here is not really that good, but it's okay. It's okay. But we're gonna go for a real proper meal after Maghrib prayers. So yeah, see you in a while. By the way, guys, there's a musical fountain over here. You can see it there. Yep, every 30 minutes or every 15 minutes, not too sure. Pretty nice. So Shifa, how was the food just now?
Disappointing.
Sorry. Very nice, right?
And then they're going to destroy everything after this.
Ah yeah, it's only for Raya. Raya. Oh, by the way, guys, this is the mall with the Hari Raya decoration already. Eid. Hari Raya is Eid, by the way. And if you're planning to come here, remember to check out Petro Science. I really love that place. Good fun for the entire family, especially for your kids. And even though I'm not a kid, I really like it as well. So yeah.
No, remember?
Up, okay.
Oh, I always does it like that. I said
yeah, Shifa said I always like to put my camera down.
Yes.
So, yeah,
not pleasing angle.
Yeah, apparently it won't be very nice. So
comment down below.
Comment down below if she's right. By the way, we're gonna have semi-proper food right now because just now the food was not proper.
Yes.
So what are we gonna have? Do you remember?
Char kway teow. Oh, nice. Yes. That's why I'm traveling.
All right. Oh well.
Remember, not this.
Like this. Like this.
Yeah, at least like this.
Okay. See, the pro is showing me how to do it properly.
No, because when you're doing this, you see your double chin.
Oh.
Telling it to the face. No, when you're doing this, you also show other people what's happening as a background. So it's actually the point of vlog. No, that's okay. That's okay. You wanna be honest.
Yep. Double chin, guys. Sorry. Yeah, that was a pretty good meal. Oh man, we can't believe how long we've been sitting until the entire place is pretty much closed. Oh, okay. Time to head to the masjid. It's almost Shifa's last stop. Do you have anything like parting words to say to the camera?
Thank you for spending the day, the time, and I wish you all good luck if you don't see again each other tomorrow. I wish you all good luck for your YouTube channel, and don't forget to check out my YouTube channel.
Yes, don't forget to check out Shifa's channel. She has more subscribers.
Thank you for watching. I'll see you again in Foogie's next video. Bye!
Bye!